Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just here at Bin Green Car Park, and where we're going to go to today is, it's called the Trinnacle, and we're going to go down past some reservoirs, and you might have seen it, it's some big tall rocks, and there's always like insta hikers who are getting like photos on top of it, so that's where we're going anyway. So yeah, we go down here, right down there, and yeah, we follow the path. It takes us past some reservoirs and down into the valley and then up the hill. Okay, so once you've gone through the little gap in the wall, you'll come to this gate here. Walk through there and we head down the road, and this takes us down to the reservoir. Okay, so we're just coming down to a gate now. I'll show you the gate. It's this here, and we'll just walk through here, and then the road goes between two reservoirs, so we'll go and check that out. Okay, so we are down at the bottom. We've got this path that we're going to go across next. We've got all this reservoir here. I tell you what, it's absolutely beautiful here, and we picked a beautiful yet really cold day. But we're going to carry on, and we're going to head down here now. So I'm just walking in between the two reservoirs now. We've got that one down there, and we've got this one over here. And this is the way that we're going. Can you see that big steep hill that goes all the way up there? And I'll show you just up there. That's the way we are going. So yeah, we'll crack on. Okay, so we're at the well-worn path, which is this up here, which leads up towards the Trinnacle. There is a small path on this side as well, and there is this path which I think goes all the way around there and probably will eventually meet up at the top. But anyway, we're going up. Okay, so I got up there without stopping. I'm happy with that because this is just after Christmas when you've just eaten a load of junk. But just look at the incredible views here. Anyway, we carry on up here. Okay, so we've just got up here. We've got to a point where there's like a little valley there. That is the way we're going to head. Alright, so we are where the valley is there, but we are actually going off this way, away from the valley, going to the right hand side of it and over it. As soon as you get over that top there, it gets really windy. So just look for this rock here and then carry on following the path to the left hand side of it, which is this here. There are other ones that can go that way as well, but take this one because then you know you're going there. Okay, so we have come from that rock there and we've come up here, and we just need to carry on following this path that goes round this mini beast of a hill and carry on round this way, and eventually you will get to the Trinnacle. Okay, so we're close now. This is the reservoir here, which is the backdrop of the Trinnacle. So yeah, we've just got over here to go. Okay guys, so we are now here. This here is Trinnacle, the Trinnacle should I say, and this is where people get that Insta photo from, with that in the background. So yeah, we're gonna go and get on top. So yeah, there is the path down to it there, and we're gonna go and walk down that now. So yeah, if you're coming down here in winter, just be careful because it is icy. I don't even think, to be honest, I'm going to attempt to climb up it just because it is quite slippy. Let's go for it. So that was my video on getting to the Trinnacle. I hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching. Cheers.